In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import documents and contracts in Go High Level. We're going to walk through this step by step, so you can easily bring your existing PDFs into your account and start sending them to clients for signatures or approvals. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and a few tips to avoid common mistakes. First, log into your Go High Level account, and make sure you're in the correct location or workspace where you want these documents to live. Once you're in the right place, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Payments. This is where Go High Level keeps invoices, proposals, documents, and contracts. So even though we're not dealing with payments directly, this is still the right section. After clicking Payments, you'll see several tabs across the top. Find and click on Documents and Contracts. This is the area dedicated to managing your files, like agreements, service contracts, or standard forms you send to your clients. Once you're inside Documents and Contracts, look for a button labeled New, usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click New. This tells the system you want to create or add something new to your library of documents. When you click New, you'll see a few options for how to create a document. Since we're importing files you already have, choose the option that says Upload Existing PDFs. Select that option and a file picker window will open on your computer. From here, browse your folders and choose the PDF or PDFs you want to import. It's a good idea to make sure your files are clearly named before you upload them, so they're easy to find later. Once you've selected your files, confirm the upload. After the upload starts, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Go High Level may ask you to name the document inside the platform, assign it to a particular category, or link it to a contact or pipeline, depending on your setup. Take a moment to review any options it gives you, like enabling signatures, setting default email messages, or adjusting visibility. When you're done with those prompts, save your changes. Your documents and contracts are now imported and ready to use within Go High Level, so you can quickly send them out, track who has viewed or signed them, and keep everything organized in one place.